Hi everyone! Today we are going to cook rice perfectly in a rice cooker. There are 3 reasons why we use a rice cooker to cook sushi rice. First, you don't have to know how much water to add in, you just have to fill it to the pre-marked line in the pot. So even if it's your first time cooking it, you simply can't fail. 2, to make good sushi, you have to keep your rice warm. The rice cooker will automatically do it for you. And 3, it will save you a lot of time by not having to watch the pot throughout the cooking process. Let's start. We will use the rice cup or the scoop provided with the rice cooker to measure the sushi rice. Today we will cook 4 scoops of rice. Rinse the rice in cold water twice to get rid of some of the starch. Fill it with cold water up to line 4. You can see the lines marked on the inside of the rice cooker pot. If you want to cook 6 scoops of rice, then you would fill it up to line 6. Next, let the rice soak for at least 30 minutes. This can be longer, even up to a few hours. Then start the rice cooker. After the cooking process is finished, let it sit for at least 15 minutes without opening the lid. Let the rice cooker keep the rice warm for you while you make your sushi. Thank you for watching! Please like the video if you enjoyed the recipe and subscribe for more traditional Asian recipes. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section.